Rules A to Z. Say the letter, say the name. Let's all play this learning game. A is for ant, small and slow. B is for bird, flying low. C is for cat, soft and sweet. D is for duck, with wet feet. E is for eagle, high and bright. F is for fox, quick in sight. G is for giraffe, tall and grand. H is for horse, running the land. I is for iguana, green and shy. J is for jellyfish, floating by. K is for kangaroo, jumping high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for monkey, swinging free. N is for newt, near the sea. O is for owl, hoot at night. P is for penguin, waddling right. Q is for quokka, smiling wide. R is for rabbit, hop and hide. S is for seahorse, swimming slow. T is for tapir, moving low. U is for umbrella bird, loud and proud. V is for vulture, soaring cloud. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for cirrus, quick and true. Y is for yellow hammer, bright and small. Z is for zebra, stripes and all.